This is life. This is a creature from God. God knows every feather on every bird. This little life was abandoned by his parents. So it takes great love to take a little cherished creature like this and to protect them, to care for them, to keep them alive, to help them grow, to become complete. That's what life is. We are creations. We are nothing more than mere clay. But when the breath of life is breathed into us, we become more. We come here to learn. We come here to grow. We come here to learn, to care, to love, to cherish others, to be more than we can be in any other time, in any other space. This is a blessing, this life. A great blessing that we need to cherish, and we need to do everything we possibly can to be more than we are now. Every single day, every single moment is an opportunity to be more than we are now, this second. I've written a book called Kiss Me Care. This book tells why these babies need care. They need food, they need clothing, they need shelter, and most of all, they need love. This book walks you through that. It's a growing experience when you have a child, because it opens up parts of your heart that you didn't even know were there. Love is the answer. It's always the answer. You are growing, your children are growing, all of us. Some people fight it tooth and nail. Don't want to change, don't want to grow, don't want to do anything. But that is forever. You will leave your legacy, and you don't want that. You want to be as much as you can possibly be in this life and the next. So, love is the answer. This little guy, he's a little treasure, a little gift to us on this earth. Love. Remember, let it fill your heart. Let it fill your soul. Live with that in your heart. We only had one commandment in the beginning, and that was do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Remember that. Cherish it and do it forever and ever. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Ooh. Time for some rest.